Get ready for some interesting dream facts in just 60 seconds. Did you know that dreams come in different colors? Around 12% of people dream in black and white. When we dream, our minds paint vivid pictures. Dreams are primarily visual, with minimal sound or movement. Stanford University suggests that the faces we dream about are the ones we've already seen in person or on TV. Women have more nightmares than men. Nightmares tend to occur most frequently in the last third of the night, closer to morning. But what about blind people? Blind people can and do dream, though their dreams can be somewhat different from those of sighted people. On average, people have 4 to 6 dreams every night. Over the course of your life, you'll spend approximately 6 years dreaming. And within 5 minutes of waking up, 50% of your dream is forgotten. And there you have it. Stay tuned for more interesting facts in the future. Sleep tight and sweet dreams.